Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a fascinating question that many of you have probably wondered about: can humans digest corn? We're going to dive into the science behind it, explain why corn might show up in your poop, and give you tips on how to better digest this popular grain. So, let's get started. Introduction to corn. Corn is a staple food in many parts of the world and can be enjoyed in a variety of forms, from corn on the cob to popcorn to cornmeal. But despite its popularity, there's a common observation: sometimes, it seems like corn passes through our digestive system mostly intact. So why is that? Let's break it down. Structure of corn. To understand why corn sometimes appears undigested, we need to look at its structure. Corn kernels have an outer layer called the pericarp, which is made of a tough, fibrous material known as cellulose. Cellulose is a type of fiber that humans lack the enzymes to break down. This means that the pericarp can pass through our digestive system relatively unchanged. Digestive process. When you eat corn, your digestive system goes to work breaking down the parts it can. Inside the corn kernel, there are nutrients like starch, sugars, and proteins that our bodies can digest and absorb. The stomach and small intestine do most of this work, breaking down the digestible parts of the corn. However, the cellulose in the pericarp isn't broken down and continues through the digestive tract. Appearance in stool. So why do we sometimes see whole corn kernels in our poop? The answer lies in the outer layer, the pericarp. Since it's not digested, it can stay intact as it moves through your system. When you see corn in your stool, what you're actually seeing is the undigested pericarp. The rest of the kernel, the part inside, has been broken down and absorbed by your body. Nutritional benefits of corn. Despite this, corn is still a nutritious food. It provides essential nutrients like vitamins B and C, magnesium, and antioxidants. Plus, it's a good source of dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, aids in weight management, and can help prevent constipation. Tips for better digestion of corn. If you want to improve your digestion of corn, here are a few tips. Number 1, chew thoroughly. Chewing your food thoroughly can help break down the pericarp and make it easier for your digestive system to process the nutrients inside. Number 2, cook corn properly. Cooking corn can help soften the tough outer layer, making it easier to digest. Try boiling, steaming, or grilling. Number 3, consider other forms. Consuming corn in forms like cornmeal or popcorn can make it easier for your body to digest, as these forms have already been processed to some extent. Number 4, nixtamalization. This traditional process involves cooking corn in an alkaline solution, like lime water, which breaks down the cellulose and makes the nutrients more accessible. The science behind corn in your stool. There's a simple scientific explanation for why corn appears in your stool. Corn kernels are seeds, with an interior holding the germ, surrounded by a starchy endosperm. This is covered by the tough, fibrous pericarp. The cellulose in the pericarp is incredibly tough and acts as a survival shield for the seed. Our digestive enzymes can't break down cellulose, which is why the outer layer passes through our system intact. Conclusion. So, can humans digest corn? The answer is yes and no. While we can digest the nutrients inside the corn kernel, the tough outer layer, the pericarp, often passes through our system undigested. But don't worry, corn is still a healthy addition to your diet, providing essential nutrients and fiber. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time. And before we go, here's a quick poop fact. Did you know that the average person produces about 1 ounce of poop for every 12 pounds of their body weight each day? Keep that in mind next time you step on the scale.